This is continuation of our basic Kannada alphabet series. We will be looking at lesson 8 from Savi Kannada grade 1 part 1 textbook, and this lesson Aksharabhyasa 8 is on page 71. Now let's look at the alphabets. There are 4 alphabets in this lesson. So this is the first alphabet, Dha. We have already seen this alphabet Da. This is Da. This will be the next after Da. So this you have to pronounce it with a little deeper breath. So this will be Da. This will be Dha. Da. Dha. So this is Dha. You have to pronounce this as Dha. A little, you have to breathe a little harder when you are pronouncing this. Da. Dha. Then this is Ta, Tha. So we have seen the alphabet Tha. This is Ta. So this will be the next alphabet, which is Tha, Tha. So this will be Tha. This is Dha and this is Tha. Then we have already seen the alphabet Da. This is Da. So this will be Dha, Dha. So this will be Dha. This is Dha, Tha and Dha. Then the next alphabet, this is the next alphabet of Ba. This is Ba. This will be the next one. Bha. Ba, Bha. So this is Bha. So all these alphabets, they are called as Mahaprana because you have to breathe a little harder while pronouncing these alphabets. And these alphabets here down what we have written, the, da, ba, these are called as Alpa Prana because we don't really stress and breathe hard while pronouncing these alphabets. So remember, the, da, ba, these are called as Alpa Prana. Okay, these are called as Alpa Prana. What is written down, they are called as Alpa Prana. Dha, Tha, Dha, Bha, these are called as Mahaprana because we need to breathe a little harder while pronouncing these alphabets. So Dha, Tha, Dha, Bha. Now let's see how to write them. So it is very simple. We already know how to write the. So you write the and put a line under. See where there is a curve here. At that point you have to put a line down. That's the only difference. This is the and this will be the. So the will have one line extra down. So let's see here with the arrows we'll see. So we start from here, then curve up and put the talekattu and put a line down. Please remember to put this line down, otherwise it will be pronounced as this alphabet the. Only this line down is what differentiates it, and this is the. So when I write it together, you will understand. This is the and this is the. The. So how do you write it? You start, then go up and then put the thalekattu and put the line down. Once again, start, then go up, put the thalekattu and put the line under. So this is how we write the. And in Hindi, it is this the. The. Then next one is tha. Tha is very similar to writing the. So what you have to do? First write the and then just put a dot in the center. That is the one thing which differentiates between the and tha. So please remember to put dot in the center because if you write like this, then it will be pronounced as the. Only if you put a dot here in the center, right in the center, then only it will be pronounced as tha. So along with the arrows, we'll try and do it. So first start from here, then continue, then put the talekattu, then put the dot and put this line at the bottom. This is tha. So start. This is stroke 1, stroke 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, putting this dot and this is 5. Okay, so write the and then put a dot. So this is th. So this is th. And in Hindi it is this th. Th. Okay. Then the next one is the. This again is similar. We write the like this. The is just one line at the bottom which is extra. The. So we will do it along with the arrows here. So this is 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the. This is the. Okay, so again I will write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the. And in Hindi it is dha. The dha. And then this one is bha. So again similar to writing ba. You first write ba, then you put a small talekat to here and put the line at the bottom. Then this becomes bha. So you start 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how you write bha. And in Hindi it is this bha. So bha, that is this bha. So once again, dha, tha, dha, bha. Dha, tha, dha and bha. Now let's look at the words which have these alphabets. So this one is the dhana. Dhana means money. It means money. Dhana. Then ratha. Ratha means a chariot. You can see the picture. It's a picture of a chariot. So ratha means chariot. Dhana means money. Then next, dhana. See, it's a bell. So dhana is an expression of a sound, expression of how the bell makes the sound. So it is just an expression of a sound. It really doesn't have a meaning. It's just an expression of the sound. Dhana. Then bhatta. This is bhata. Bhata means a soldier. Okay, so dhana means money. Ratha means a chariot. We can go back again here. So this is dhana means money. Ratha means chariot. Then the next word is dhana. This is dhana, which is the expression of a sound which the bell makes. And then this is bhata. Bhata means a soldier. So this is all the alphabets. Now let us move on to page 73. 71 is just writing, 71 is what we have seen. 72 is just writing practice of the alphabets. And now what I am showing is page 73. So ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲು ಹೇಳಿ. You have to read these words clearly. Dhana. So dhana means money. This is audala. It's a plant which is the castor oil which produces castor oil. So it's a plant which produces castor oil. Thala is again, it is an expression of how something is shining. It really is not a meaningful word. It is just an expression of how something shines. So thala. So if you say the stars are shining thala in the sky. So it is just an expression of how something is shining. Then patha. Patha is way or road or the path. A way or path. Then kathana means narration, how you say a story, how you narrate a story, that is kathana. Then dhara, again it's an expression of a sound. For example, you're pulling something hard and that is making a noise. So this is an expression of that sound. Then bhaya is afraid, scared of something, fear. That is bhaya. Then Bharata. Bharata, you can take it as India or the name of a king. There was a king by name Bharata. Okay, so this can either be India or Bharata. So these are also the meanings of the words. Now, ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಪದ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. So whatever is blank, you have to fill in the alphabets and also read the alphabets aloud. Read the word aloud. So this is dhana, dhana, money. Ratha, chariot. Hana, hana also means money. Okay, so it's a synonym for dhana. Hana is a synonym of dhana. Dhana and hana both mean money. Khana, khana is a small particle, minute particle. Then bhaya, bhaya is fear or afraid of something. Then ನೀಡಿರುವ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಲು ಹೇಳಿ. You just have to write down these words again in the given space here. So again, but I will explain the meaning of the words here. Dhavala, dhavala means pure white color. Dhana is money. We have seen this. Dhaga, dhaga. Again, this is an expression to express how something is burning. Dhaga, dhaga. Dhaga, dhaga. Uriyuttade. Means it's burning. That is a expression of the how something is burning. Mathana. Mathana means churning. Churning. Then thala, thala. Again, it's an expression of how something is shining. Then shapatha. Shapatha is to take an oath or take a vow. Then bhava. Bhava means lifespan. Bhajana means division. Bhajana is division. Bhavana is a huge building like a palace, like a big, real big building. Bhavana. Dhana, dhana is again, it's an expression of a sound. How something sounds. So, this is all the exercises in page 73. Now in page 74, a few alphabets have been given here. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ ಮಾದರಿಯಂತೆ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. So given alphabets, use these given alphabets and make some meaningful words. So like an example, they have written the word Ratha. So the alphabets are picked from the picture there. So here I have just listed 10 alphabets, 10 words using the alphabets given in the picture. This you can do on your own. You can try and make words other than what is given here. This just as an example, I have written 10 words, but you can write your own words using these alphabets. Just make sure that they are meaningful words which you have already learned in the previous 7 lessons. So this is just an activity where you make use of the given alphabets and just write words which you already have learned and you know using the other 7 lesson alphabets what you have already learned. Okay, so this is on page 74. So this is all the exercises along with lesson 8. So with this we complete lesson 8. So now let's look at how to place, where is the place of all these alphabets now. So we have already seen alphabets. This is the swara. In all this we have seen in the previous 7 lessons. A, I, U, Ru, then E, I, O, and Ow we have seen. Okay, all these swaras we have already seen. Now let's look at all the vyanjanas that we have already seen in our lessons so far. Ka. So we have already seen ka, ga, cha, cha, ja, then ta, da, na, ta, da, na, pa, ba, ma. Then ya, ra, la, va, sh, sh, sa, ha, la. We have seen all these alphabets till lesson 7. Now what we have seen currently, the present lesson 8 alphabets, let us put them in this table. So the, we saw the today, then th, then dh and dh. So these are the alphabets which we have seen in lesson 8. So let's continue with lesson 9 in the next video.